Selling digital products but drowning in complex platforms and monthly fees? Gumroad promised to get you selling in under 20 minutes with zero upfront costs. But with transaction fees as high as 30%, is it actually worth it? Let's find that out. Gumroad is an e-commerce platform designed specifically for creators selling digital products. It handles everything from hosting your files to processing payments and delivering products to customers. Think of it as your complete digital storefront that requires zero technical knowledge to set up. Key features. Gumroad's standout features include lightning fast setup. You can literally have a product live and ready to sell in minutes. The platform supports ebooks, PDFs, music software, digital art, online courses, and paid memberships. You can bundle products together like combining a course with bonus materials. The built-in email marketing tools let you create welcome sequences, abandon cart emails, and stay connected with customers without needing third-party platforms like MailChimp. There's also embedded checkout pages for your own website, upsell features to boost sales, and an affiliate program where others can promote your products for a 10% commission. Plus, Gumroad has a built-in marketplace called Discover, where customers can find your products, giving you additional traffic beyond your own marketing efforts. If you're liking this content so far, please consider giving it a like and subscribing. It really helps out my channel. Let's move on to pricing. Here's where Gumroad gets interesting and expensive. There are no monthly fees or upfront costs, which sounds great. However, they do charge a flat 10% transaction fee plus $0.5 per sale when customers buy directly from your store or links. But here's the kicker. If customers find you through their Discover marketplace, that fee jumps up to 30% per transaction. As of January 2025, Gumroad also handles all tax obligations worldwide as your merchant of record, which simplifies international selling, but you want to factor that into your pricing strategy. Gumroad's biggest pros are the incredibly easy setup, perfect for beginners who want to test digital product ideas without technical headaches. No upfront costs means you only pay when you make money, and the built-in email marketing saves you from juggling multiple platforms. The tax handling is also a huge relief for international sales. However, those transaction fees are brutal. 10% is significantly higher than competitors like PayHip at 5% or Etsy at 6%. The customization options are extremely limited with only 5 font styles and 2 brand colors, making most stores look kind of identical. Payouts are restricted to weekly on Fridays with a $10 minimum threshold, giving you little flexibility over your cash flow. So in conclusion, Gumroad is better for complete beginners who want the fastest, easiest way to start selling digital products and don't mind paying premium fees for simplicity. It's perfect if you're testing product ideas, don't care about branding, and want everything handled for you. However, if you're an established creator who values customization, wants to keep more of your profits, or need flexible payout options, Gumroad's high fees will quickly eat your earnings. Are you planning to use Gumroad, or have you already tried it? Let me know in the comments down below whether you think those fees are worth the convenience. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.